Alright, so I haven't made a video on this before, and there's a lot of new subscribers since I last made a video about this, so they may have not seen this video. But one thing to extend the life and stop vacuum leaks is, you can see down here already I have some on there. A little bit like that, and you just go on the outside surface around there like that. That's more than enough. And if I zoom in on it, you can see. And then when your O-rings in here slip over that will protect your O-rings and help increase the sealing if you have any imperfections or little nicks on your O-rings, so you don't get vacuum leaks. And that's it. Just a simple procedure like that. Adding a little NYLOG on your seals, and you too can have seals that last a long time with less leaks. Alright, see you guys. Sorry for the noise. I'm in a real shop.